we have our Indian nationals in that country. Over 550 Indian nationals in Iran have crossed over into Armenia through the land border. We also have had approximately 90 people or 90 of our nationals from Iran cross over into Azerbaijan through the land border. These movements were facilitated by our embassy in Tehran. They helped them with visas as also with immigration formalities where required. In this group of 550 people that I mentioned who have crossed from Iran into Armenia, we also have 284 people who had gone there to Iran on pilgrimage. These people are there right now in both these countries. Some of them have already returned and others would be returning in the next few days or so. Our embassy in Tehran, in spite of all the difficulties, continues to be fully functional. Over the last few days, they have also been able to relocate students who were outside Tehran to cities which are safer for them.
The US side has been appealing to countries to bring together the warships to man the Strait of Hormuz. So two-part question, has India been approached to contribute warships for this proposed effort? And if you could say what's India's overall stance on the navigation through Strait of Hormuz, because we also saw the comment by EM Jaishankar today to FT that, India is involved in bilateral talks with Iran. So yeah, thank you.
We are aware of this particular matter being discussed by several countries. We have not yet discussed it in bilateral setting. इस मुद्दे पे जो आपने मुद्दे ध्यान जिस पर आपने प्रश्न किया उस पर काफ़ी चर्चाएं चल रही हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर कई एक देशों के बीच में। जहां तक हम लोग की बात है, हमारी द्विपक्षीय तौर पे ये बातचीत अभी नहीं हुई है।